Hey guys, what's up? I want to do a little unboxing here of Lepy LP-2020A plus, and what this thing is, it's a hi-fi stereo digital audio amplifier. And what it does, it's going to enable me to use standard speaker wire on some bookshelf speaker monitors that I've been having sitting around for years without touching, and I'm able to hook them up to my computer. And this converts the digital audio into, I guess, regular audio? Who knows? It's a magic little box. So let's see what we got here. So this is what comes in the box. You got the power adapter, 12 volt DC. It's pretty standard. You got the Pi unit, which is not too big. And to tell you the truth, it packs a lot of punch for a little package. And if you're gonna sit it on your desk and have it for looks, it doesn't look too bad. You got the treble and bass buttons here, big volume knob that's got a blue LED light, which is kind of cool when it's on. You got the standard speaker wire adapters in the back. You got RCA's. You got the 3.5-inch jack that runs from the computer, from your sound card or your motherboard. That's where the audio comes from. And I want to hook up these old speakers that I had, and they're old but they're solid wood. Back in the day, back in the 90s, these were a pretty good set of speakers, and I want to use them in my setup that I've been trying to put together. Now, putting this thing together, I want to place this box here in the middle. It's something nice that I don't really want to hide in the back, and it's nice to have easy access to the button. I would mount it under the desk, but then everything would be upside down, and I'll put it up here for now. We'll see how it works out. This is the only solution that I found that was within budget to run these old school speakers. These speakers are Design Acoustics PS55. Basically fairly good quality monitor speakers that were used for surround sound speakers back in the 90s, and they've just been sitting around doing nothing. I didn't want to invest big money into an audio system when I had great components laying around the house. I didn't really want to give a sound demo or sample in this video because I didn't want to get a strike on it, but I did a separate video that you gotta check out, which is exclusively how they sound. I set up my H1 handy recorder in the middle, took audio from the recorder as it came out the speakers, and I didn't digitally alter the sound. It's just how it came out of the speakers into the recorder, from the recorder into the computer, and into the video, uploaded to the net. And it sounds pretty good, but it sounds way better in person. Being able to reuse these high quality monitor speakers in my setup has just added a new dimension to my use of digital audio. Now I can enjoy music in the room without having to rely on just headphones, which I've been doing, and I'm pretty happy with it.